Is your Apple Pay giving you the cold shoulder? Let's nuke that wallet and start fresh. First, let's dive into your wallet app. Find that little icon, looks like a stack of cards, and give it a tap. Okay, now we need to individually remove each card and start with your first card and tap on it. See those three dots up in the top right corner? Tap those. This brings up the card details. Scroll down a euro until you see remove this card. Tap that remove option. Confirm that you want to remove it. Tap remove again when prompted. And voila, the card is gone. Repeat this process for every single card, transit pass, or any other item in your wallet until your wallet is squeaky clean. Yes, every single one. Now for the good news, adding everything back is a breeze. Tap the plus sign at the top right corner of your now empty wallet. Select debit or credit card, then follow the on-screen instructions to add each card back, either scanning it with your camera or entering the details manually. You might need to re-verify with your bank, so keep an eye out for that. As for passes, most will automatically reappear if they're linked to your Apple ID. If not, check the original app they came from, like your airline or ticketing app, for an Add to Apple Wallet option. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Apple Pay wallet, giving it a fresh start. Hopefully, this solves those pesky payment problems.